is Mish. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The reason why I'm making this channel is because I'm frustrated. Yes, frustrated. Because my kids, along with the other kids, Filipino Chinese kids, do not know how to speak Fookien or Hokkien. They would rather speak in English. So I've decided to make this channel to help my kids and other kids and you viewers to learn about Philippine Hokkien.
Before we start, let me just give you a few things to remember. Number 1, I do not claim to be a guru in Hokkien, but I try to teach what I know, and I think my Fookien is acceptable to majority of the older Chinese. I'm a Filipino Chinese, or Chinoy as you may call it. Both parents are pure Chinese, and I studied both my elementary and high school in a Chinese school in Manila. When I was young, Hokkien was the main language used at home. Sad to say, Filipino Chinese nowadays tend to speak more English and Filipino than trying to learn a third language. Number 2, this is not written in Pinyin, but in Filipino pronunciation for easier reference. For example, Papa, it will be spelled as letter P instead of letter B. B is used for Pinyin. Number 3, there are several varieties of Hokkien, like Taiwanese Hokkien, Amoy Hokkien, but in this channel, I'll be discussing Hokkien Philippinized. Next is, intonation is very important. Same goes for all the other languages, like for example, the Filipino language. A flower pot can be called paso, but burn is also called paso. So, the tone is very important because it denotes a different meaning. So, the same for Philippine Hokkien. The tone could be the same, but used in a different sentence would mean differently, or it could have a different intonation and it would mean differently. Next, we will all learn and have fun. I hope that we all learn together, as I know there may be some words that I'm also not familiar with, but I'll be asking my resources, and hopefully my kids, while doing this project with me, will also learn a lot from this. Alright, let's start! Lesson number 1 would be pronouns. Me, gua,
Gua. Gua.
mine, guae,
Whose pillow is this?
Gua.
Ie.
us, gun, ours, gunne,
Gunne. Gunne.
you, the, you with the group, din, your groups, dinne, him or her, e, his or her ownership, ie, they, in,
Oh, Shoti, what's wrong? Why are you sad?
Because they're gossiping about him.
In.
theirs, ine,
So if you learned something, click the like and subscribe button below. Share it with your friends.